Good morning, kids. So, I welcome you all to the another live session of Me and Math. It's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I hope you all had your breakfast and ready for the class. Okay, just give me write your names in the comment section so that I can see how many of you are here today with me. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Come on, hurry up. Please write your name in the comment section so that I can see how many of you are with me today for this class. Come on, kids. I think some of them are still busy having their breakfast, isn't it? Please write down your name in the comment section, children. If you're using your parent ID, then please mention your name over there. Come on, hurry up. Oh, wow. Here is Riyansh. Hi, Riyansh. How are you doing? Good morning. Very good morning. Let me see where are Riyansh friends. Please write down your name in the comment section, children. See, Reyansh is here. Let me see how many else are joining. Please write down your name in the comment section so that I can know how many of you are here to take this class today with me. Okay. So, again, I welcome you all to this live session of Me and Math. I am your tutor for the day, Monica. And today we are going to study a very interesting topic that we use in our daily life. तो हम ये जो टॉपिक आज पढ़ने जा रहे हैं ये हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में हर एक दिन यूज करते हैं मे बी नोइंगली और अननोइंगली सो शायद हम जानते हैं इस टॉपिक के बारे में और मे बी शायद हम नहीं जानते हैं बट हम यूज जरूर करते हैं ओके सो हियर इज अनदर स्टूडेंट हाय प्रियांश हाउ आर यू ओके सो let's move ahead. Fraction. Can you write down in the comment section how many of you have read this fraction topic in your regular class? Just type read. I will understand. If you have read this topic in your regular class, let me know. So that I can ask you some questions. No, let me see how many of you is knowing about this topic. Oh, very good. So Riyansh said yes. Okay, Riyansh, very nice. What about others? Red, very good. Amazing, Priyansh. Okay, very good. So, what is fraction? What is fraction? Okay, let me help you. But before that, before understanding this topic, we are going to see the next slide and you have to answer this, okay? So let me see who will answer this first. Mystery movement. Okay, here's the question. You have to tell the answer of this. I will help you. I'll make you understand this question, okay? The question is saying, okay. So question is saying, I am an odd number. What I am? I am an odd number. मैं एक odd number हूँ. Take away one letter from my name. मेरे नाम से एक letter आप हटा लो. And I become what? I'll become even. Okay? Come on. In the count of 5, you have to write your answer in the comment section. Again, I'm just reading the question for you. I am an odd number. Take away one letter from my name and I become what? Even. What number am I? Okay, and your countdown begin. Tick, tick, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, answer, answer, answer. Exactly, amazing. So I've got one answer from Ryansh, 7. Any other number? Any other number if you think? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, I'm waiting. Okay, Priyansh is saying 10. Okay, we'll see what will be the answer. Okay, any other number apart from 7 and 10? Hi. If you're using your parents' ID, just write your name. Okay. Very good morning, children. Come on, I'm an odd number. Take away one letter from my name and I become what? Even. What number am I? Okay, so I have got the answer. Okay, some are saying 10, some are saying 7. Okay, so I'll take 10 first. If you write 10, what is the spelling of 10? Can you just write the spelling of 10? Just write the spelling of 10 in the comment section. Let me see. Okay, so it's T-E-N. Okay, so if I'm removing just one letter, I have to remove, right? If I'm removing this T, I'm left with En. So this is not the right answer. The right answer the right answer is 7. So congratulations those who have given the answer 7. Now let's see. Okay, spelling of 7, many of you have given in the comment section. Okay. Okay, so Ryansh has changed his answer. No, it's 7. Let's see. S E V E N. 7. Right? So if you remove just S, if you remove this S, okay? If you just remove this S, if you remove this S, you are left with what? You are left with E V E N. Even. Okay? So the answer is 7. Okay? Chal. Okay, children. Okay. So let's move to the next topic, the next slide. Here we are with the star student of the week. So let's see who is the star student of the week. Oh, Okay, amazing. Congratulations, kids. So the star student of the week is, again, I'm playing this so that you can see. Amazing. So it's Riyansh and Anya. Congratulations, kids. And if you want to see your picture here next week, you have to become the star student of the week. Okay, so congratulations, both the kids. Well done. Okay, let's move ahead. So, what is the mission for the day? So, the mission for today is we have to master these three subtopics. The first is Introduction to Fraction, Halves, Thirds, and Quarters. And the third one is Writing Fraction. Okay, so we are going to study fraction today. Under these three topics, we will study the introduction to fraction, halves, thirds, and quarters. We will see these terms today. We'll understand the meaning of these three terms, and we will also study how we can write the fraction, the way of writing the fraction in words as well as in numbers. Okay, now you have to tell me. You know what is fraction, right? But I want to take a real life examples to see how much you understand about fraction. Okay, what is this in my hand? Can you see this? Can you name it? What is this item? What is this my object I am holding in my hand? Come on, write it in the comment section. What it is? What you can see on the screen? What is there in my hand? No, I don't have pizza. No, no, no. This is not pizza. Paper. Correct. This is a paper. What is the color of this paper? Hello. Hello, Himaj. So everybody can see a paper in my hand. Oh, or somebody can see a pizza in my hand. It's a whole paper. Correct. It's a whole white color paper. Okay. All right. Suppose I am a second grade student and today take it the example in a present form. So today is my drawing exam, or I can say there is a Diwali card making competition in my school, and my teacher told me that everybody have to bring one sheet of paper from the drawing book to make the Diwali card. Okay, so I have got my paper. Okay, now my friend is there next to me and she's crying. I asked her, why you are crying? She said, I forgot to bring a sheet of paper. Okay, so what should I do? Now tell me, what should I do? My friend has forgot to bring paper and I have just one piece of paper with me. Just one paper with me. What should I do? Should I share it with her or should I just ignore? You just write in the comment section that should I share or I ignore? Share or ignore? Should I share this paper with my friend or I should just ignore her and do my work? Come on, should I share? क्या मुझे शेयर करना चाहिए ये पेपर अपने दोस्त के साथ कि मुझे उसको इग्नोर करके अपना काम करना चाहिए? Okay, so somebody has given me a very good solution. Riyansh is telling me, ma'am, cut it into two parts and share it. Okay. Anything else? Any other suggestion? No? No. Oh my God. Okay, fine. I'll cut one piece. Okay. 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 Anything else? So many of them are saying that I should cut it into two halves. I should divide it into two halves and give one sheet, one part to my friend. Okay. Now, if I fold this paper from here, is this a half, equal half? Can you see the line over here? Is this an equal half? Is this an equal half? Is this equal? Are these two papers are in a equal parts? क्या ये दोनों पेपर इक्वल पार्ट्स में है? अगर मैं इसको यहाँ से सिर्फ this part, I'm folding this. This is the part which I wanted to share, and this is the part I want to use. No, this is not an equal part. Okay, this is equal. Come on, hurry up. Can you see? Is this equal? Unequal. Very good. So yes, it is unequal. How will it become equal? ये equal कैसे होगा? कहाँ से fold करूँ? Tell me. आप जो बताओगे I'll do. मैं कहाँ से इस पेपर को fold करूँ so that it can become equal? सेंटर से कि मेरे लेफ्ट साइड से कि मेरे राइट साइड से? सेंटर से और द लेफ्ट साइड और द राइट साइड? which side? Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Middle से. Yes, middle मतलब center, right? Yes. So this is how I have folded the paper. And now this paper is divided into two parts. And this is two equal parts or unequal parts now? This is equal or unequal? This is an equal part or unequal part? This is equal now. Yes? Okay. Now, let's tear it into two parts. Sitting, 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 and done. Now, I have very good, equal parts. Okay. So now, I have the whole paper divided into equal parts. How many equal parts? 2 equal parts, 3 equal parts, 4 equal parts. How many equal parts? 2, 3 or 4? 2, 3 or 4? 2, 3 or 4? Come on, come on, come on. Very good. 2 equal parts. Now I can give one part to my friend and one part I'll keep and make the Diwali card and win the competition, isn't it? So always remember what fraction tells us. Sharing is caring. Simple. Fraction always tells us that you should share because sharing is caring. All right, children. So this is how you use fraction in your daily life. See? Most of the time, you do such things with your friends in school or during whenever you are playing in the playground with your friends or sharing anything which you are eating with your friend or sibling, है ना? Like a cookie. Suppose I have a cookie and I divide it into 2 equal parts. One part I can share it with my friend and one part I can have it, or one part I can share it with my brother or sister and one part I can eat, right? So this is how you use fraction in your daily life, isn't it? Yes? Should we move to the next slide? With another story to understand fraction? Yes? Yes? Okay. Story time. Now, there are two pictures which you can see on the screen. Okay? Picture number A. You have to tell me what is picture number A and what is there in picture number B. Can you name it? What it is? Picture number A? हमारा favorite, सबका favorite. Many of them were telling me when I was showing this paper also. Come on, what is picture number A and what is picture number B? Come on, come on, come on. What you can see in picture number A and what you can see in picture number B. Very good. So, it's a pizza. Yum, 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 isn't it? Yes. You all like pizza? Yes. And picture number B is? What is picture number B? I've got just one answer. And 2 and 3 and 4. Yes. Okay. Now everybody is telling me. Okay. Yes. So picture number B is a cake. Okay. Now, a very difficult question to ask. Kids, would you like to share this pizza and cake with your friends, or you want to eat the whole? So you want to share it or you want to eat it completely? So you can write in the comment section. If you want to share, just write share, or if you want to eat it completely full, you just write full. So those who want to share it, they can write share. Those who want to eat it completely, fully, they can write full, F-U-L-L, full. Yes, picture number A is a pizza and B is a cake. So I am getting the answer. Very good. Everybody is so nice. Huh? Everybody would like to share it, right? Priyansh, Priyansh. Who else is there? Please write. So, okay. Yes, you should share it because sharing is caring. And this is what fraction is telling us. Sharing is caring. Okay, so here it is, another one. I want to share. Very good. Yes, you should share. Okay. All right, let's move to the next one. How we can share things equally. So if I want to share this pizza and cake, how I can share this so that everybody should get a equal part. Suppose there are 4 friends. 1, okay, 2, 3, and she's having a pleated. Okay, and another one, 4. And everybody is saying hi to all the students who are here today. Okay, so tell me, there are 4 friends. And your question is, how you can share these 2 things, or just take an example of a pizza. How can you share this pizza so that all the 4 kids get it equally? Very good. I have started getting the answer also. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. I'll wait for others also to reply. कैसे शेयर करेंगे? एक पिज्जा है और 4 किड्स हैं और हमको इक्वली शेयर करना है, इक्वल अमाउंट में चारों के बीच में शेयर करना है. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? कम ऑन टेल मी, हम क्या करेंगे? Okay, yes. So what we can do is we can cut this pizza into 4 parts, and this should be a 4 equal parts, and share it. Amazing. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very nice. So I think everybody is knowing about this topic. Very good. So we can share it equally into amongst the 4 kids by just cutting it into 4 equal parts. और हर एक को कितने parts मिल जाएंगे? एक एक पार्ट मिल जाएगा, राइट? ओके, नेक्स्ट, मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट रॉ. Suppose, like you said, there were 4 kids. That's what I told you, right? Suppose, let's assume there are 2 kids. One name is Ria and the other name is Rahul. Ria and Rahul are brother and sister, right? Sunday का दिन था, and every Sunday you all like to eat something good, no? Apart from all the regular वाला खाना, you tell your mama to make something good. So ऐसे ही रिया और राहुल ने अपने पेरेंट्स से बोला कि आज संडे है, हमें कुछ अच्छा खाना है. तो मम्मा ने बोला, ओके भाई, what you want to eat? They said, pizza. Mama said, okay, but the condition is, I am going to get only one pizza for you people. And you have to share it among yourself. तो अभी रिया और राहुल के पास एक पिज्जा आया और वो उसको शेयर करेंगे. कैसे शेयर करेंगे? दे विल फाइट, ऑब्वियसली दिस हैपेंस ना, दे विल फाइट. बट अभी क्या करना है ना कि तबीयत भी नहीं खराब हो, यू नो, हेल्थ इश्यूज भी ना हो और पिज्जा भी खा लिया जाए. तो उसका सोल्यूशन तो यही होगा ना प्रियांश की हम क्या करें, उसको शेयर कर लें. सो द थिंग इज हाउ दे विल शेयर इट. पिज्जा एक, बच्चे दो. How we can share this pizza? पिज्जा एक, बच्चे दो. अभी कैसे शेयर करेंगे? कैसे काटे पिज्जा को? कैसे काटेंगे? कैसे उसको कट करेंगे? हाउ वी कैन कट इट इन सच. ओके, यस यस, वेरी गुड. वी कैन कट इट इनटू 2 parts. एक होल को हम 2 parts में काट देंगे. One part Riya can have, the other part Rahul can have, right? Very good. So Riya and her brother wanted to share one pizza equally. They cut it into 2 equal parts and each got 1 out of 2 parts. 1 part. 2 parts से, this is part 1, this is part 2. 2 parts हुए. एक रिया के पास जाना चाहिए और एक किसके पास जाना चाहिए? Obviously Rahul, right? Now there is a twist in the story. Let's see what. Now how many parts of pizza you can see on the screen? Now pizza is in how many parts? How many parts is there you can see on the screen? Come on, hurry up. Ah, very good. 3 parts. 3 parts. अभी कहानी में ये ट्विस्ट हो गया ना कि as soon as Riya was going to divide the pizza into 2 equal parts, phone call of Riya's friend was there. So the phone rang, trin 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 trin, and Riya went to pick up the phone, and Riya said hello. And you know who was on the other side of this phone call? Her friend Priya. And Priya said, hi Riya, today is Sunday and I was thinking to come down to your place to have fun, enjoy, play something. Okay, so Riya said, oh yes, you can come. We have got pizza also. We will eat pizza. So now who is coming? Who is coming? Who is coming? Riya's friend. What is the name of Riya's friend? Priya. Now Priya is coming. So Riya is like, Rahul, stop. My friend is coming. And now we have to share this pizza among 3 of us. Now, अभी इस पिज्जा के कितने पार्ट करेंगे? We will do 3 parts. So that 1. Yes, Priya. Yes. So We will divide this pizza in 3 parts so that everybody can get 1 part each. Okay. जैसे ही Ria was about to cut it into 3 parts, है ना, 3 parts में जा रही थी कट करने, so that everybody could get 1 part each, right? Out of how many parts? 3 parts. Phone call फिर से बजा. Trin 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 trin. This time Rahul went to pick up the call. Okay. Now who is coming? Somebody is coming, right? Because you can see on the screen now pizza is going to be divided into how many parts? अब पिज्जा आपको कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता हुआ दिख रहा है? कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता आपको दिख रहा है? फोर पार्ट्स में. इसका मतलब that means somebody is coming. Yes. So as soon as Rahul picked up the phone call, Rahul's friend Sham was on the other side and said, "Hey Rahul, today is Sunday and I was thinking to come down to your place so that we can enjoy our Sunday, have some fun and eat something good." Rahul is like, yes, come. We were about to have the pizza. And he said, stop, Riya Didi, stop. My friend is coming. Now we have to divide this pizza into how many parts? 4 parts. And you have to divide it into 4 parts so that everybody can get how many parts? Now this is 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So total how many parts are there? 4 parts. And everybody is going to get how many parts? How many parts? 1 part each, right? So 1 part Riya is having, 1 part Priya is having, 1 part Rahul is going to have, and 1 part Sham is going to have. Yes, and they enjoyed the pizza and had fun. But what exactly happened just now? Obviously, they studied the fraction into their regular me and math class from their teacher. And that's why they were able to divide their pizza. Isn't it? Like you all know about fraction, right? So that's why you're giving me the correct answers. Everybody is giving me the answer and so excited to give the answer. Even I'm getting excited with this topic now. Yes. So whenever children, there is a whole. And whole matlab full, pura. And we divide it into equal parts. This whole can be a cake, a pizza, a cookie, paper, anything. Okay? And the condition is that we have to divide it into what? Equal parts. We always cut the things in such a way that it get divided into equal parts. Suppose when there were 2 kids, that is Riya and Rahul. So that time we were dividing this pizza into 2 equal parts. Riya was cutting it into from the center so that it can get divided into 2 equal parts. So everybody's Riya and Rahul, they were getting 1 part each. Out of how many parts? 2 parts. So whenever we are dividing the things in half, we write it in this form: 1/2. Why we write it 1/2? Because out of 2 parts, out of these 2 parts, everybody was getting 1 part. So 1 part Riya was getting and 1 part Rahul was getting. So how you read it? 1/2, how you read it in words? We say it as 1/2 or just a half. आधा जिसे आप बोलते हैं, है ना? जैसे कई बार होता है when you are having your dinner, you say, "Mama, I will have only half chapati." So what Mama do? Mama take the chapati and she divide it into 2 parts and she give you 1 part, right? So this is why. This is 1/2. We read it as, in words, 1/2 or half. Now tell me, as soon as three kids came together, the pizza was getting divided into three parts. You only told me this, right? Three parts? Yes? Okay. Now, when the things were getting divided into three equal parts, every child was getting one part each, means Riya was getting one part, one out of three parts. Rahul was getting one part out of any parts, three parts. And Riya's friend Priya was getting one part out of how many parts? Three parts. So we write it as 1 by 3 or 1 upon 3. Can you tell me in words how you write this 1 by 3 in words? Can you tell me? Can you tell me how you can write 1 by 3 in words? You know? Yes? Come on, give me, write your answer in the comment section how you can write 1 by 3 in words. How can you write this 1 by 3 in words? Come on, in words. 1 by 3 or 1 upon 3 in words. Okay, yes. 1/3. You can write it as 1/3. Very good. Why we use this third like this? Why don't we see 1, 3? Because third is what? Is an ordinal number, right? Whenever you are talking about the position, you write it as first, second, third, like this you write. Why? Because this tells the position. These words tell you the position. Here, the words are telling you the order, position, order, sequence, है ना? बता रहा है. So, that's why we write fraction in the bottom number as in the ordinal form. Okay. So we write it as 1/3. Okay. So अगर आपने मुझे इतना बता दिया तो अब जरा मुझे आप 1 upon 4 or 1 by 4 भी बता दो how you can write this 1 by 4 in words. How can you write this 1 by 4 in words? 1 by 4 in words. 1 upon 4 in words. This one 1 by 4, 1 upon 4 in words. Come on, hurry up. I am waiting. Should I start the counting? Okay, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, and tick tick. Come on, how you can write this 1 by? Very good, excellent. I've got the answer. The counting khatam bhi nahi hui and I have got the answer. Amazing, very good, amazing kids. So you can write this 1 upon 4 or 1 by 4 as 1/4. Okay, so Priyansh, check the spelling. It's F-O-U-R-T-H. Fourth. Okay, so 1/4. And 1/4 का एक और नाम होता है. And I have got that name in the comment section. Very good. We also write it as quarter. Okay. So when there were 4 kids, Riya, Priya, Rahul, and Shyam, this pizza was getting divided into 4 parts. Okay. Please excuse me if I have not divided this pizza in equal part, but please assume it that I have divided into in equal parts. Okay. Okay. So it was getting divided into 4 parts and every child was getting 1 part each. That means Riya was getting 1/4. That is 1 out of 4. Priya was also getting 1 out of 4 parts. Rahul was also getting 1 out of 4 parts and Shyam also was getting 1 out of 4 parts. That means 1/4 or quarter. Okay, amazing. Excellent. Now, what you can see over here, अभी पिज्जा छोड़ के हम आ जाते हैं किस पे, what it is, what is this picture, can you name it, what you can see on the screen? What you can see on the screen, can you name it? Yes, it's a cake. And this cake is divided into equal parts. So whenever you are having your birthday, है ना, you cut a cake and then mama cuts the cake into equal parts and she distribute it among your friends. Yes, yes. So this cake, the whole cake is getting divided into equal parts. So whenever you divide the whole into parts, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Fraction. This is nothing but fraction. So whenever you divide the whole, and this whole is not, it's not HOLE whole. Whole का मतलब होता है छेद, right? This whole मतलब full, complete, right? So you will not use that it HOLE whole. You will write it as WHOLE whole, right? So whenever you divide the whole into equal parts, you say that you have divided the complete part into the equal parts. Yes. Can you tell me how many parts it's being divided into? In fraction? In fraction? Okay, 4 parts. And suppose I'm eating one part. So how many part I had? Suppose I'm eating this one part out of 4 parts. That means how many part I actually had in fraction? Okay, some are saying it's a pastry. Actually, this cake is divided into equal parts. Yes. Okay, 4 parts. But suppose I had one part. Okay, मैंने एक पार्ट खा लिया, मुझे बहुत यमी लग रहा था, मैंने एक पार्ट खा लिया, तो मैंने कितने पार्ट खाए? 1 out of how many parts? 4 parts. So it is 1/4. I had 1/4. Very good. Okay, now we are going to see how we write the fraction. So here we are going to talk about, suppose let's take an example of 1/2 or 1/2. You told me 1/2 is also known as, in words, if you have to tell, what you will see, it's a half. Right? Now, there are two numbers written in this. Okay? 1 and 2. Right? So one number is written on the top and the other number is written at the bottom. This top number is known as, can you tell me, ये top number जो होता है, जो ऊपर लिखा जाता है, हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? I'll give you an hint. The words start with N. Now tell me. ये top number को हम क्या कहते हैं? The words start with N. इसका क्या नाम है? Very good. It's a numerator. It's a numerator. और ये जो bottom वाला number होता है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? What you call, what is the term you give to the bottom number? And the word starts with D. Come on. That's correct. The top one is known as the numerator. What about this bottom one? What is the bottom one? It's a Denominator, excellent. It's a denominator. 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 Now, what this numerator and denominator tells? ये जो numerator और denominator होते हैं, I'll write it neatly so that you can understand in a better way. Okay. So, the top one is known as numerator and the bottom one is known as denominator, isn't it? This numerator tells about the part that we have taken. Part we have taken. या part जो बचा है, या part जो हमने लिया है, या part जिसमें हमने divide किया. So it always tells us about the part that we have taken, we have divided into, all the part left. Okay. What about the denominator? Denominator always tells just one thing. न्यूमरेटर आपको बाकी की इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि कितने पार्ट हमने खाए या कितने पार्ट खाने के बाद बचे या कितने पार्ट में चीजें डिवाइड हुई हैं, वो सब चीजें और हमने लिया है उससे, तो वो हमारा न्यूमरेटर बताता है. बट व्हाट अबाउट द डिनोमिनेटर? डिनोमिनेटर ऑलवेज टेल्स जस्ट वन थिंग, टोटल पार्ट. इट ऑलवेज टेल्स अबाउट द टोटल पार्ट. पूरा होल आपका कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड हुआ है वो हमारा कौन बताता है? डिनोमिनेटर बताता है. तो न्यूमरेटर क्या बताता है? न्यूमरेटर टेल्स अबाउट द पार्ट टेकन एंड डिनोमिनेटर टेल्स अबाउट द टोटल पार्ट. जैसे अगर I have divided this pizza into two parts and I just had one part, तो if suppose it's been asked from you कि अभी कितना part मैंने खाया, you will say half. That is, out of two part, I had one part, right? Okay, let me give you a question related to this and let me see how many of you understand. Okay, now the question is in front of you and on the count of 5, you have to give the answer, you have to write the answer in the comment section. The question is, write the numerator in A. You have to write the numerator. You have to tell me what is the numerator in the given number A and what is the numerator in the given fraction B. Just write A and your answer and B and your answer. Come on, hurry up. Should I start the counting? Okay, so here I begin. Tick, tick, 1. Tick, tick, 2. Tick, tick, 3. Tick, tick, 4. Tick, tick. And I have already got the answer. Amazing. So here the numerator is 1 and here the numerator is 3. Okay, let's change the question and the number will remain the same. Suppose I'm asking you, tell me the denominator. Now, in the same question, you have to tell me what is the denominator. In the same question, you have to tell me what is the denominator now. Denominator. Come on. What will be the denominator here? Yes, you have given the right answer. The numerator in A is 1 and in B is 3. Now tell me what is the denominator? Okay, I have got the answer. So in A, denominator is 2, right? And in B, okay, excellent, it's 4. Very good. So I think you have understood this about the numerator and denominator. Again, I'll repeat it once. Numerator tells you about the part taken and denominator tells you about the total part. Okay. Story time. How many pieces would you like to eat? Come on. How many pieces would you like to eat? Suppose I want to eat just one piece. Okay. What would be the fraction? How many pieces I have eaten? How many pieces I actually had? If out of these pieces I had only one piece, so what is the fraction? How many pieces I actually had? Very good. One piece out of four pieces. So it is 1/4. Amazing. Excellent. Okay. Now tell me, if suppose, now there is a change, okay? Be very, very, very conscious now. Suppose I just had only one piece. This piece is not there. Question is saying how many pieces are left and what would be the fraction. Now you don't have to tell me how many pieces I actually had. You have to tell me if I had one piece, how many pieces are left, and you have to tell the fraction. How many pieces are left? You have to tell me the fraction of that piece. If I had one piece out of the four pieces, how many pieces are left? Oh, amazing. I got the answer. 3 pieces are left out of 4 pieces. Amazing. Because you can see in the picture, right? 1, 2, 3. Total how many pieces were there? 4. That is what denominator is telling us, the total piece. And how many pieces are left? 3. That is the numerator. Very good. Amazing, class. So fraction means equal part of a whole. So anything which is in a whole, which is in a complete form, which is full, and you are dividing it into equal parts, you say that is nothing but what? That means fraction. So fraction means equal parts of a whole. Okay. Now practice time. So take a pencil and a copy or a paper which is lying next to you, and I'm here with the question. Okay. Question is saying color half. What is this? An apple? Okay. You have to color half. So how can we do it? How can we cut this apple into half part? Should I cut it from the center? Should I cut it from the center? If you're saying yes, just type yes. If I have to cut this apple into two halves, should I cut it from the center? If yes, just comment yes write in the comment section yes. अगर मुझे इस एप्पल को दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में, दैट मीन्स हाफ में डिवाइड करना है. व्हाट इज हाफ? राइट. सो मैं इनको कैसे डिवाइड करूंगी? सेंटर से काटूंगी. अगर आपको लगता है हाँ मुझे सेंटर से इसे काटना चाहिए, देन जस्ट टाइप यस. Yes, so if I'll cut it into the center, I'll get two parts, right? And I'll color this one part. So now what is the fraction of the colored part? 1/2. In the same way, what is this? What is this? Can you see a picture? The other picture, picture number, I'll give the name. This is picture number B. Picture number A was an apple. What is picture number B? What is picture number B? Yes, it's a pear. So this is your homework. You have to cut this pear into half and you have to color one part because you have to color half. And in your regular class, you have to show this to your teacher. Okay, whenever you're having your regular class in Me and Math, you will show this to your teacher that you have done this in your Sunday live session. Okay, I'm moving to the next one. Okay, picture number A, सबका favorite. क्या है ये? Okay, some of them wanted to consider it as avocado. You can consider it whatever you want to. Okay, come on, tell me what is this picture number A? C H Okay, it's a chocolate. It's a chocolate, right? So you have to color 1/3. You have to divide this chocolate into 3 half parts and you have to color only one part. So this tomato is your homework. You have to divide this tomato in 3 equal parts and you have to color one part to, because the question is saying color 1/3 or 1/3. I'm taking the next picture. You have to divide these two pictures into a quarter. Suppose this is a watermelon and I have divided this watermelon into 2 parts. I'll color this one. And this is what? Quarter. Quarter means 1/4. Okay. So it's a chocolate. CHOCOLATE. Okay. So this is color a quarter. So you have to color 1 out of 4 part, right? You have to do the same thing. Okay. So if you see the slide, I have can you see what is wrong being written over here? So here the spelling of chocolate should be CHOCOLATE, right? Okay. So this is a practice set for you. You have to divide this orange into 4 parts and you have to color it in 1/4. Let's wrap up. So fraction is equal to part of a whole and it helps to share equally. So fraction is a friend that helps us share things. Okay, so let's summarize. So what you have studied in today's class, you have studied about what is fraction. We learned about the numerator and the denominator, and we learned about the 2 parts that we call half. Okay, then we learn about if we divide the things in 3 equal parts, we call as 1/3. And if we divide it into 4 parts, we call it as quarter or 1/4. Okay, so here are the most active learners of our previous live session. So congratulations to all the kids. I can see Rayansh is so active, Priyansh is active, Himaksh is there. Amazing kids, keep up the good work. Okay, and be active like this to learn more. And who ruled this chapter today? I think it was Ryansh and Priyansh who was very active in answering all the questions. Okay, so congratulations. So what is coming up next in the next session? We'll study about the shaded and unshaded fraction. We will study about types of fraction and fraction of a set. So amazing. It was an amazing session. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm waiting to meet you all in the next session. Okay, till then, goodbye. Take care. Okay, so have fun and enjoy your Sunday. Bye-bye.